Hello, and my name is Philip, and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today, I will explain to you how to use make and do. Let us begin with how we can use make. We use it when we create something. For example, I just made a cake. We also use it when something causes a reaction. This film makes me sad. The food makes me happy. Let's move on to how we use do. We use do when we talk about activities. I'm not doing anything. What do you want to do? When we talk about activities in general, we also use do. For example, what does he do? He's a lawyer. Remember, you can practice your English grammar by taking English lessons with me by visiting my website, skypeclass.com, to start. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.